Hi, I'm Venus, and I live in Suitland, Maryland. I have 3 children. I have a college student. I have a 17-year-old on the track and field team. Then I also have a 7-year-old. He goes to a Spanish immersion school, so he's bilingual, and he also models and acts. And this is Pablo. I love that they're all different, so there's a lot of versatility in the house. Getting us to eat in one central location. If I cook in the kitchen, it starts off in the kitchen, but one goes downstairs, one shoots upstairs, and one goes in another direction. So, you know, the challenge is kind of getting us together. I think we'll be a lot closer if we did have that one central location to come to that felt kind of welcoming, where you can kind of say, hey, cell phone goes over here, let's go over to this table and talk about our day.
So Venus really needed a place for her and her kids to have dinner together and to really just spend time as a family without any distractions. Before, she had a bar table in the corner with a poor chair that was on its last leg of life.
I'm just excited to see this vision of us just sitting together, just happiness and brightness, and just a place where we could come and say, hey, come on, let's have a seat, let's gather around the table. In less than 24 hours, I had all my children in one space, which was the goal, just wanting us to spend that time together instead of kind of branching off to different rooms. We were actually all in the same place. What I envisioned actually happened. And my son was already utilizing the desk. He was doing his homework and then started drawing and using his pens and pencils and having just his space.
We needed to put the dining table in the center to get her as much space as possible. By turning it, it allowed for more space. One of the other challenges we had in this room was working around the blue carpet. Finding a rug that blended nicely and pulling out some of the colors, it all tied it together. And then accessorizing it with the pink dishes brought that pop of color Venus really wanted.
Me as a mom just on the outside looking in, I was like, it makes you want to be in this space. They were all talking and laughing. It just looked so welcoming.
It was very important for us to create an inviting space where everybody could just enjoy their time as a family. And a little space for Pablo as well.
Last night it just looked so calm. And I actually just sat on the bench for a minute and just took it all in. It wasn't as hard as I thought it would be to just bring it all together and show my vision.